Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Alex Puckett.
Potential for some heavy rain this morning across northwest Alabama. This is our in-house forecast model. This is showing essentially what the radar looks like right now, except that's for 10 o'clock this morning. So some rain across the shoals, southern Tennessee through the morning into the early afternoon. Heavy rain at times could lead to some flooding issues out there. By about 3, 4 o'clock, the rain becoming much more isolated, and then by about maybe 7, 8 o'clock, the rain fizzling out across North Alabama and southern Tennessee. So a few of us see storms, some of us don't see rain. Places like Huntsville, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Arab, Gunnersville. Your rain chance lower today than places like Florence, Muscle Shoals, Waterloo, Moulton. Highs in the 80s this afternoon, warm and muggy. Rain chances long term are going to be from this. Tropical storm Sally. Sally now has some thunderstorms around low-level center. It is continuing to intensify, and the environment's only going to get more favorable for this storm to intensify and get stronger and stronger as we head through the next several days. On Alabama's Gulf Coast, the impact from this storm surge around 2 to 4 feet, tropical storm force winds, and some torrential rainfall. The potential for coastal flooding pretty high here. Worse impacts along Mississippi's Gulf Coast. That's where we're talking about hurricane force winds and surge potentially exceeding 10 feet in some spots, especially in far southwestern Mississippi and into southeastern Louisiana. This is the forecast track from the National Hurricane Center. Something to note. All those little icons there get closer and closer together as this thing gets closer to southeastern Louisiana or Mississippi. Keep in mind the forecast cone, it keeps Mississippi in that cone there. That means landfall possible in Mississippi too. That's because this system starts to slow down. That means it has more time over the Gulf waters where it can intensify, and it's going to produce more and more torrential rain across the Gulf Coast. Why is it slowing down? Well, we've got a steering current that right now is pushing it northwest, but we've also got an upper level jet stream that's going to eventually catch it, slow it down. Ultimately, that upper-level jet will win out once it makes landfall and push it northeastward rather than northwestward. That's why you get that turn in the track. It's also why rainfall totals will be very impressive along the Gulf Coast. Some spots can see over 20 inches of rain, and we'll see a little bit of rain from Sally as well. We'll go to one of our forecast models here, and this one's not going to be perfect. No forecast model is. But note, as we head into the middle of the week, the remnants of Sally move through. That gives us some good rainfall. Rain chances trending up Wednesday and Thursday as the remnants of Sally move through. And then the rain chances trend back down by next weekend. Temperatures also trend down, but it's not going to be that much more comfortable with all the rain out there, lots of cloud cover and mugginess. But we could see some highs struggling to get above 80 degrees as we head through the end of the week.